Hi guys, how you doing? Debbie here. Welcome back. So today I'm not going to make a card. I'm going to have a play with our jelly plate and see what we can come up with because I'm pretty new to this, so it'll be interesting to see. So I've got out just a couple of paints. I'm going to start with Unbleached Titanium by Jo Sonia. And all I'm going to do is start with is brayer some of this across my jelly plate. I'm going to go little amounts first because I don't know quite how much we need because like I said, I'm new to this. I've done a couple of messing arounds but nothing really serious. Now this is a pretty new plate. Just going to get a blank sheet to roll off on. And you can see it's separating. This is because it's new. In fact, I don't think I've actually used this one. So I'm going to just put a little bit more on. Because what I've done, you'll see in a second, is let's grab them, die cut, oops, daisies, lots and lots of flowers and leaves and branches, and all I want to do is plain and simply lay them down on the gel plate. And there's no rhyme or reason and no pattern. Oops, the daisies, stay. Just whatever you want. This might work, it might not work, so we'll have to learn this one together, I think. I've cut loads of different bits and bobbies out. It's gone the wrong way, but doesn't matter. Just to see, really, because, like I said, just playing and see what happens. Let's go that way. Something up here. Let's have a look. Something small. That one will do. Okay. Next, I'm going to grab a piece of rice paper. Hopefully it's big enough. Yep. And I've got out this stencil, mainly because it's one of the biggest ones I've got. So you just wipe that off. It dries. I don't want it today. Could have done with moving it over a bit, but never mind. Right, now I'm going to first lay this on top. Then I'm going to come in with this over the top of it. And let's just give it a rub. Now what I'm hoping will happen is the rice paper will pick up bits in the stencil. It might take a minute or two, so I'll stop chatting and then I'll speed you up on this bit just so I can get this all lifted up, and we'll go from there. Okay. As you can see, it's lifted up quite a bit of it. I'll keep that because you never know what I can make with that. Right, now I'm going to gently lift this up. But I'm going to leave that in place just till it dries. Okay, hopefully that's dry. So now what I'm going to do is go around and just lift off very gently our die cuts. As you can see, it's brought the paint but left the outline. So we'll just do this one by one. And I'm using a pokey tool, but if you do this, just be very careful you don't poke your plate. But some of them are lifted, so it's making it fairly easy. Okay, last one. There's not. I'll do that with my nail. Okay, that's them. Now, I've got out some of my pigment powders and some of my perfect pearls, different colours. And what I'm going to try is to put them on the plate. If I can find my brushes, there they are. So I've got out some little brushes and I'm going to go in and just cover the blank spaces with some of our powders. I might need a bigger brush than this, I think I'll be here a long time. Right, let's get a different brush. Alright, bigger brush out. I'm just gonna go slowly around just till you've got your whole plate covered. So again, I'll get this done. Okay, I think we've got it all. So, let's move those out of the way. What I'm going to do is just grab my microfiber rag and just wipe off any excess. Just making sure it's all covered, which it looks like it is. Now, next, I'm going to put on, see if it's opened, new one yet, it's open, some Liquitex Basics Mars Black, and I'm just going to cover the whole lot. Now, I normally do this on cardstock, so it may work, it may not. It'll be pretty if it does, so fingers crossed. I'm using black because I want the contrast between the mica powder. Otherwise, I don't think white will do it that well, really. Need a little bit more than that. Now, I'm going to grab my rice paper and very carefully lay it over the top. Smooth out any bubbles or wrinkles. And now I'm just going to keep pressing until I know it's all connected to the plate, and then I'll have to leave it to dry for a few minutes. So I will be back once it's dried, guys. Okay? Okay, so that should be dry. So I'm going to very gently, because it is the rice paper, slowly peel it back. And because we've left it to dry, it should pick up everything we've got on there. Look at that. That's where that crease is. I think we're going to be able to help that. Yeah, there's a crease in the paper there, so. On that. But that's okay. It's handmade, so it doesn't matter. And there we go. Beautiful, shimmery, very shimmery piece of rice paper, which you can cut up, you can put on your cards, whatever you want to. And because we use the black, you can't really see the black apart from there. But because we've used it, it's made our mica powders stand out even more. Okay, that's awesome. So it works, guys. So what do you reckon? Leave me a comment below if you like it. I'm going to practice more, I think, with this. I enjoyed doing that. In fact, should we go again and see what we can come up with again? Let's give it another quick go, eh? Okay, I think we're good to go. Doesn't feel damp, so let's have a look. Gently, because it's the rice paper. Just slowly does it. It's picked up those black marks, which are there. You can't really see them as black marks though, which is good. And there we go. Ooh. There is print number 2. Which, as you can see, is all shiny and beautiful. So we've done, I'm just going to turn this fan off, guys. Things have stopped blowing away. Right, that's better. So there we have 2 different. Which is your favourite? I actually quite like this one. But then again, I like that one. And the butterflies, the little wooden butterflies, and the leaves have actually worked out extremely well. So, there we go, guys. Another one completed. Let's see if I can move this light a bit over for you, and you might be able to see it a bit better. Can you see? There's that one. Believe me, it is gorgeous in real life. And there's that one. Gorgeous. Right, guys. That's it from me. I'm going to go make hubby a cuppa because he's outside. Get my lunch organised for Sunday dinner. And I'll get this up as soon as I can for you. Okay, don't forget, give me a thumbs up, comment below, like, subscribe. I'd be very, very grateful. Alright guys, take care. Speak to you soon. Bye.